In this section, we are going to discuss about simple pendulum. The objectives of this section are to understand about simple pendulum, to understand about oscillatory motion with examples. Let's start our discussion. What is a simple pendulum? Simple pendulum consists of a string and a bob. Simple pendulum is having a string fixed at one end and a bob on the other end. This arrangement is called simple pendulum. So what is a simple pendulum? It is a simple pendulum. This simple pendulum is moving. This type of movement is known as oscillation, to and fro movement. This is bob and this one is string. This other end of this string is fixed here. To and fro motion of an object is known as oscillation. What do you mean by oscillation? Oscillation means it is to and fro motion of an object. The object is moving forward and backward. It is known as oscillation. The to and fro motion of a simple pendulum is an example of periodic motion or an oscillatory motion. So we can say that periodic motion or oscillatory motion, if we are considering them, it is a to and fro motion, and simple pendulum is an example for periodic or oscillatory motion. When a pendulum completes one oscillation, we are going to discuss about one oscillation of simple pendulum. It is a simple pendulum. One end of the simple pendulum, one end of that string is fixed here and other end is having a bob. And this is going to move. It is starting from here. It is reaching C and it is reaching A and it is reaching B and it is coming back to A. Now it completed one oscillation. Pendulum will complete one oscillation when the bob of pendulum come back to the initial position. Next one is time period of simple pendulum. We already discussed about oscillation. There is a to and fro motion of an object, and time period of simple pendulum is the time taken by the simple pendulum to complete one oscillation. How much time it is taking to complete one oscillation? It is known as time period of simple pendulum. Time required to complete one oscillation by a simple pendulum. Examples of oscillation. Simple pendulum is an example of oscillation. Swing is an example for oscillation. And wiper of a car is also an example for oscillation. The movement of wiper is also forward and backward. It is an example for oscillation.